In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a loan on Affirm. Getting approved on Affirm comes down to three things: meeting the basic eligibility rules, the strength of your individual history, and the store's own policies. I'll walk you through each so you know exactly what Affirm looks for and how to set yourself up for success. Start with eligibility. Affirm is available to residents of the United States, including U.S. territories. You need to be at least 18 years old or 19 if you're a ward of the state in Nebraska. You'll also need a social security number and a mobile phone number that can receive text messages and is registered in the US or its territories. Make sure that number is in your name and can receive verification codes because Affirm uses it to confirm your identity and keep your account secure. Next is your individual history. Affirm may consider your credit score and how much of your available credit you're using. Lower utilization and a solid score generally help. They also look at your payment history with Affirm itself, including any overdue or deferred payments, and whether you've had loan delinquencies. The age of your Affirm account matters too. A longer positive track record can be a plus. The number of loans you currently have with Affirm is considered, as is the size of the new loan you're requesting. Smaller requests are often easier to approve than very large ones. Affirm may verify your income and your existing debt obligations to be sure the payments fit your budget. Recent bankruptcies can affect approval decisions. Finally, keep your personal information up to date. If you've moved, changed your phone number, or legally changed your name, mismatches with public records can slow things down or trigger extra verification. The third piece is store policies. Approval criteria can vary from one merchant to another and can change over time. Stores may offer different interest rates through Affirm, and they may set a minimum purchase amount or a maximum loan amount they're willing to support. If one store's terms aren't a good fit, another merchant might offer different options for the same or similar items. Put it all together by checking that you meet the base requirements, keeping your details current, maintaining healthy credit habits, and choosing a store with terms that work for you. That's the path to getting a loan on Affirm with confidence.